Now where's my Sid?
Yo, nigga, what's up, nigga?
Oh. Ah! Now, okie doke, let's roll.
Let's roll!
Fucking suck your buttercup! It ain't not enough!
Kiddo, so tell me, how was school today?
Grandma, it was the best! I learned why your pancakes are so much better than Mom's or Dad's.
Ooh.
It's about the...
Yo, nigga,
Exactly. Now let me tell you the best way to make a...
nigga,
When I make...
nigga.
I use a big old iron.
Fucking cock!
It's not fancy, but it's tough, and it gets the job done, just like me. Now, here's the secret to my...
Nigga,
I make sure the heat is just right on the stove. Not too high, not too low. Then I pour in the... and closely observe it to wait for the bubbles to form on top. That's how I know the pancakes are ready to flip. But I'm a pretty good flipper, too. And that's how I make my perfect...
yo, nigga,
Hey, can we have some of those perfect
yo, nigga,
for afternoon snack?
Why not? Whoever said you can't have
nigga.
in the afternoon?
Not me. My grandma's the best. I learned something cool today. Know it upside down and inside out. I learned all about heat. Scientist in the house. I'm stirring the batter.
Okay, now, Sid, I'm going to put some of that batter in the frying pan.
Ooh. Oh boy, these
Yo,
are
nigga,
gonna be so good.
You betcha. Go now, stay back from the stove. It's hot.
Okay.
Okay, now, what did I say was the most important part of making a perfect pancake?
hell!
And...
Oh, observe. Observe, yeah. Oh,
Right.
hold on. I see that the pancake is indeed being changed by the heat. The edges are browning. It's changing. The bubbles are forming. Ooh, it's time to flip. Flip.
there!
Yes! Folks, we have light and fluffy pancakes.
Yo, nigga, what's up, nigga?